Hi, I'm Dinesh Nayak. My native place is Chhattisgarh. My working place is Pune. I'm currently working in Wipro Technologies as a tech lead. The, I know iNeuron from that Krish YouTube channel, and the best part of that iNeuron is it's a complete platform where you can study. The study material is there. Then you need for practice. The platform is available, and then they prepare for your interview. So it's a kind of a complete ecosystem that you can get. You can transform your new old skill to new skill. So thank you very much for Sudhanshu sir and Krish sir to build the complete platform who can help that the people they wanted to be transform themselves into old skill to new skill. So I would like to thank you the iNeuron team for this platform. Thank you.